Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the dual USB charger from La Forte. This comes with dual USB output. You can see that this is actually a charging brick. It's a 5-volt charging brick. Let's quickly take a look at other information on this box. Over here it's written the short circuit protection. It comes with quick charging, comes with overpower protection. It is lightweight, it carries 2.1 amperes. And also has dual USB output as mentioned earlier. Let's just open this box and show you what's inside. And this is it. This is what the dual USB charger looks like. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 5-volt charger, and on the other hand you have two USB-A ports, so dual USB, and there you go. This is what you find inside the box containing the La Forte dual USB charger. Thank you for watching.